Hello, welcome to Jenny Foo Foo Farm. What are you doing today, Tim?
Oh, we just got a new nook that I wanted to put down in here. I thought I was more ready for it. A lady called me, said that she had an extra one that I could purchase, and they're northern Pennsylvania bees that she raises herself, and that they're more hardy to our climate. Both of those swarms I had gotten were from Georgia, and once I got them, I kind of regretted it because everyone's telling me when they buy them from that particular place that they don't usually survive, but we'll find out. I had this in the shed for a little while. When I bought these, she said there's already 5 frames in there, so I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 frame box. So what we'll do, I'll put this board there. Well, so if you want to make sure that your hives are pretty level. Set up. Okay, so we're just going to do one brood box to start so that they stay in here, and we want them to fill out these extra trays. And I've never used these black trays before, and a lot of people say that they don't like them, but the one lady that said to check and make sure they're sticky, and they are, so that the bees will form them out from here. So we're going to try them. The frames she gave me in here are, I'm pretty sure, the yellow ones. Oh yeah. Right there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames in here, and there's supposed to be my queen in here, and she's supposed to be marked. And this year's color is red. Well, I'm not going to mess around with them today. I'm just going to try to get them in there. Yeah, they're already mad. I'm going to get some smoke on them here. Calm them down a little bit. I'll just leave these bees right here, and they'll find their way in here. Kind of make sure it's tight. I'm going to have to come back later and put a spacer in here, which I'll do another day after they kind of settle in. Make sure the queen's not down in there. I don't think so. I'll come back later once all the bees go in there. Let them calm down. And then, she said to give them some sugar water. So I have the jar of sugar water mixed one cup sugar to 1 cup water, or 1 to 1. I'm just going to slide that in here, and it still leaves an opening for them, but that'll give them plenty. I should shake it up a little bit more. Didn't quite get all dissolved. Oh yeah, there it goes. That's good. No. And we'll just leave them be for an hour or so, and then I'll come back and move the boxes and everything out of the room. Let them get used to their new box, and they'll all go in there. Wherever the queen is where they'll go. And she was in one of those racks, I'm assuming. We'll go see what happens.